Are your golf balls looking worn and dirty after a few rounds on the course? In this video, we'll show you an easy step-by-step method to clean your golf balls with basic tools you already have at home. Let's get started. Gather all the materials you need. You'll need a bucket with warm water, liquid soap, a cleaning brush, a towel, and of course your dirty golf balls. Prepare the cleaning solution by adding a few drops of liquid soap to the bucket of warm water. Stir gently to create suds. Place your golf balls into the bucket, ensuring they're fully submerged in the soapy water. Use the cleaning brush to scrub each golf ball gently, focusing on any stubborn dirt or stains. Rinse the golf balls under running water to remove all soap residue. Lay the golf balls on a towel and pat them dry to prevent water spots. Now your golf balls look brand new and are ready for your next game. A little cleaning goes a long way in maintaining their quality and performance.